In this video I'm going to do this back part, and let's start this. So let's quickly select all these faces here. So I can hold tab and just left mouse drag to select all these faces quickly, and then let's extrude this, extrude and offset, or even I can use my scale tool and just scale them down like this. So let's check this. You can see this gap here. Here we have a big curve, so let's try to get that. Now we don't have that curve, so let's adjust this to get that curve. Okay, something like this, and I think it's still a little bigger than we have here, so let's try to get that here. So I'm just trying to get that arc or curve. So then let's extract this piece. So let's go to edit mesh and extract here. So by doing that, now it's a separate thing. So now I'm going to do this. You can see this shape here. So let's bevel this edge. So let's bevel something like this. Then let's add an edge loop. Add an edge loop here. And now I can just delete these faces to create this thing. So I'm going to delete it like this. Let's do the same thing for this piece. You can see. So for this piece, let's bevel this edge, and let's do the same thing, and let's extrude these two edges. It's basically same thing here. Let's just scale them down a bit. Now I'm going to give some thickness to the body here. So let's give some thickness. So I'm going to isolate it by just clicking here on this icon, and now I'm going to extrude this one. Let's extrude, give some thickness, something like this. And now as you can see, the normals are reversed. Let's go to mesh display and reverse the normals. Now I need to put some supporting edge loops. So let's add one edge loop here, one edge loop here, and some edge loops to hold this corner. So we can add one edge loops here, here and here, or we can just use multi-cut tool to do it once. So let's go to multi-cut here. Inside this mesh tools we have multi-cut. Choose this and just drag from outside. When you drag it, make sure you are holding shift to make it straight. So now as you can see, let me undo so that I can. So make sure you are holding shift, then drag like this. Then let's see, pressing 3. Okay, obviously I need to put some edge loops at the bottom. Let's go here. Okay, something like this. And let's do the same thing for this piece. I think I just need to extract this piece. Let's select all these faces here. Let's say this is my shape here. Make sure to select all these faces. So I'm going to select all this inside as well. Select. So I'm going to extract them. Let's extract. Okay, now let's do the same thing. Let's give some thickness. So I'm going to extrude them. Let's give some thickness, -G, like this, and let's do the same thing, reverse the normals. And I'm going to add some edge loops, supporting edge loops, like this, maybe one here. Something like this. Again, I know this is not exactly like the image there, but you don't have to, you can just change it. Now it looks good, and it's a new design, but it looks good. It's not exactly like the image, but I like this design here, so I want to give some thickness to this area as well. So let's extrude some low edges here. I think can extrude this edge loop here from here to here. So let's extrude and give some thickness. So next, let's work on these details. You can see here, let me zoom here. So we're going to do all these details in the next video.